So let's talk about the fact that you look around your environment and you don't like what you see, or you want change. Things aren't going the way you think. Okay, so this is something that I've been reflecting on a lot. I've been thinking about this a lot. The fact that we stay in these patterns that are the same. We keep doing the same thing over and over and over, and we don't really like to make changes. We don't want to heal our traumas. We don't want to heal these things that keep us in this place. And I have been working on healing these traumas and seeing my own patterns. And so I realized that we stick to things that we are familiar with, things that we grew up with, like, for example, when I was younger, I was in a bad situation. I was in a bad relationship. Something bad happened to me. And because of that, I am now attracted to certain patterns, certain relationships, certain ways that people treat me. And then I realized through my healing that I've been carrying this pattern on since I've been 4 to 8 is when this incident happened. And I have carried that pattern on until now, where I can actually see that I've been carrying a pattern on that doesn't serve me anymore. So we need to take the time to reflect and look inside ourselves to see what patterns that we are in so we can make changes. So I'm going to give an example. Okay, so per se, you're working really, 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 really hard. And